Hey guys, a very good morning to each and every one of you. Today my WhatsApp status is going to be a normal everyday makeup look which I carry, my base routine, my foundation, my concealing routine, and I'm not going to dive in much deeper into makeup like hiding my under eyes and all, but for light makeup you can carry this look for your office, and this takes rarely 20 to 25 minutes, and then if you become pro in it you can get ready within 15 minutes. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So guys, now let us talk about the product that I am using. For moisturizing my face, I'm going to use this Cheryl's Clairmoist facial moisturizer. Now my skin type is oily, so if I use any other facial, it is going to harm my skin and I'm going to have a lot of pimples. So this is what I'll be using for my moisturizer, and I've already moisturized my faces. And for my base, I'm going to use this new foundation. This is the Fashion Factory foundation, and I purchased this foundation yesterday only. So I am using this for the very first time. So I don't know whether how it's going to work for my skin. For my regular makeup routine, I use Amber foundation, but this time I thought of giving it a try. So that was about the foundation. Now talking about the highlighter, I'm going to use this inside. I like to highlight my face very much, so even if I'm doing basic makeup, I highlight my eyebrows, my brow bone, and my nose, and the other areas which you will be seeing in the makeup routine. Besides that, for my lipstick, I'm going to mix this two shades. This is a nude shade and this is a red shade. It gives a very peachy tone. And then for my eyeshadow, I am going to use this palette. Now for me to recommend this palette to you, this is a very beautiful and highly pigmented palette. Look at this. But I got this from Amazon, and this retail for only rupees 500. It is a very nicely pigmented palette, and all the eyeshadows you see on my lids, I use only through two palettes. This has no brand name on it, so if you want I can share you the link. So let's get started with makeup now. For my foundation and all, I'm using this beauty blender. So the most important thing about getting your base right is blending it very properly. So what I do is I take foundation on my hand, again I blend it with my sponge, and then dab it into my skin. Oh my god, I guess it is going to be a bit lighter for my skin. So guys, I've done with other part of my face, and the foundation has given me a very nice coverage. Now if you could see it, the face is looking all glowy and dewy, so I'm happy with the foundation. Now what I do for concealing is, if I do not have a concealer, like I don't have a concealer right now, I'm going to take the same foundation for the second time, blend it on my hands, and then conceal only the under eyes. This is what I do. This is a very big secret, so you can follow this. Just give another coverage on your eyes and the under eyes. See, you can see the difference now. The eyes is much covered while this one is darker. So you can do this. Makeup has no strict restrictions. You can do anything anywhere, and believe me, if you are doing it on daily basis, you're going to take less than 15 minutes to do it. So you could do this very easily. So I've done with my concealing and my foundation. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm sorry I couldn't show you this product before, but this is Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown, number 2. So for my regular routine, I use this on the daily basis because it is very easy to do brows with this pencil. and then see, this is the pencil and then this is the brush. First all you need to do is comb out your hairs properly, and then you need to just darken your eyebrows with this pigment. Look at me now. Just blend it, just light strokes and then blend, light strokes and then blend. This is how you do your eyebrows. Again, let's go to another side. So guys, you can do your eyeshadow with your little finger, but I like to do it with brush because I'm used to using brushes. So these are the two brushes which you need to use for your eyeshadow. This is a very nice fluffy brush which I'm going to use in my crease line, whereas this is a flat brush which has flat bristles. So this I'm going to use for just patting on the eyeshadow pigment. We are first going to take this lighter shade and just pat it on our eyes. Now what is a crease line? A crease line is a line just above your eyelids. So if you can see, like a middle point of your brow bone and your eyelids. So this line, see, when I open my eyes, a natural shadow is created over here. So this is a crease line. For crease line you need a matte eyeshadow. So I'm use this shade. Take the shade, dab your brush on the eye palette and then just blend it. This product, and then I thought that let's give a little nice corner on my eyelids. So I'm going to take from this palette, I'm going to take this eyeshadow and just going in the inner corners of my eyes. This palette also has shimmers, so I am going to take a shimmer, a very light subtle shimmer that can go along very nicely with my outfit. So I'm choosing this one. Let's see how this shimmer looks on. So again, having a shimmer on my brush, and I'm done for today. And then, like for eyeshadow at least I'm done, and then now let's brush off, like remove the excess brush. And then for my inner corners, now it's very necessary and important, whether you're doing a light makeup also, you need to highlight the inner corners, otherwise your eyes look very like closed. So for highlighting my inner corners, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, this eyeshadow. Let's see now. We are taking the same brush, and then all you're going to do is take a little bit eyeshadow, tap the brush, tap excess product out, and then with the same brush just close your eyes and I'm going to use this eyeliner. This is a very normal camera eyeliner. Now I'm going to do my highlighting. The best part of makeup for me, highlighting, is my love. Now for highlighting, I like to use this brush. So let's talk about brush now. This is a brush that I'm using. It is an angled brush, if you can see. So now this is inside a highlighter palette. Now it comes with 5 different shades. Now this highlighter right here. The way you take your highlighter is this. Take your brush, swipe it once, twice on your highlighter, just blend it, and then this is a powder brush, but I don't use it normally, but for overall face I just go like that. When I'm not using a powder to set my face, all I do is this. So how better my face looks now. Oh my god, I love makeup. Now all we have left is with lipstick. So the very first shade that I am using is this one. This is a very nice orangish nude. So recently, let's do the lipstick first. Then the another lipstick that I am going to mix it with is this Dazzler. See how beautiful the shade has come out to be. This is a makeup look that you can carry to your office, or you can go out like this only. Love makeup, do makeup every day, but skincare is important as well. So if you like the video, please like the video. If you like the video, please like the video. You can share it with your friends and support me. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see such videos more. Until then, see you. Bye bye.